back, and this is P with another unboxing video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. That way you can stay up to date with all the latest unboxing and unpackaging videos. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is going to be a post-workout supplement that was ordered from the vitamin shop, and I am opening it, the package, upside down. Just slice it across the top. Worked out today, worked chest and a little bit of triceps. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the box. And as you can see from the vitamin shop, it is going to be the SYNTHA 6. So go ahead and move the box out the way. Now I am going to open this and be taking this. I haven't took SYNTHA 6 in a while. And I think the last time may have been before I started shooting unboxing and uploading unboxing videos and reviews. But BSN makes great products. I got this from the vitamin shop through slickdeals.net. And I went ahead and did a review on the pre-workout by BSN, the NO Explode. And this is usually about 29 bucks. So the reason why I went with this brand and this package from them is because I got this along with the pre-workout for 44 bucks and free shipping. And this is going to be a post-workout recovery. It says lean muscle, SYNTHA 6. The flavor I went with was cookies and cream. And you're going to have 22 grams of protein per scoop. And this is 5 pounds. And it says 48 servings. And while I'm cutting the top, you can take a look at the grams for each ingredient. While I'm cutting the top to open this, I'm going to shoot this live. It looks like the container is full, pretty big, pretty high for this size. Usually when you get past 5 or 6 pounds, a lot of companies go with the bag. If you're getting like an 8-pound bag or 10 or even 12. So great for the price. And start your top off. As you can see, it was sealed. Now, and it smells pretty good, this cookies and cream. It looks good. Only problem is finding the scoop. But I'm going to guesstimate for now and say this is probably like 3/4 of a scoop. So first, with this, I'm going to add milk to get that extra 8 grams per serving. And also because it tastes better. But at the gym, I'll be using water, which doesn't taste as good. But it's not about the taste. So I'm going to pour this in here. You can use a regular shaker cup. It might take a little bit longer to mix. Or even a blender. Actually, I'm going to take 2 scoops. Probably should have mixed a little bit of it first. Hope the batteries is on point for this. It is. Once again, this is the SYNTHA 6. That's mixing. Take a look at the label so you can see it live without looking it up, reading it. ECAs and other essentials. I'm going to take 1 scoop with 4 to 5 fluid ounces of cold water or any beverage. Actually, there's 16 ounces. It'll be extra thick with that 45. I would actually do probably like 8 to 12, depending on the scoop. But I'm taking 2 scoops, so you do the math. 5 times 2 is 10. I want 16. That way don't be super freaking thick. It's mixing up pretty good. Check out my unboxing video of this blender or this mixer. It takes 4 AA batteries. I suggest using rechargeable batteries. Still mixing, still mixing. Give it a little shake. It thickens up. Don't really bubble up as much as I thought it would. Get a little drip, we'll clean that up. I'm going to chug this. Pretty good. Awesome flavor. But I also see the little cookies in the bottom. But it's extra creamy, thick with the milk. Food Line brand milk. And there you have it. Great taste. You definitely want to take this within 30 minutes of your workout. It's a little bit longer for me, but it's all good. Try to get your milk extra cold. You can actually add ice if you're taking water. But once again, this is the SYNTHA 6 post-workout ultra premium protein matrix. Cookies and cream is the flavor. 5 pounds. Check out the vitamin shop, the vitamin shop. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment below, share, subscribe. Peace.